Good afternoon. My name is Tumi Tladi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is a continuation of version control series, where the first video that we did was on overview of version control or source control, aka Git. The second one that we did is this one. So let's mark it as done, where we looked at the services, both GitHub and Azure DevOps. Today, we're going to be talking about who uses these services, particularly GitHub. So that's what we're going to be doing. Before I do that, I need to know, how many of the videos have you watched, my videos? Because for you to understand what I'm about to do next, please watch the previous videos. And then if you find the content very interesting and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and then subscribe, share, tell your friends about it. Now, let's go to Visual Studio. So in Visual Studio, currently I'm on master branch. By the way, this branch, we're also going to cover it. It's a video, well, I was scheduled to push it up. Where is it? Branches, and then specifically master branch. Where is it? Master branch. There we go. We're going to talk about the importance of this branch, master branch, and then what I'm about to do. So I was working previously on this project, Web API for .NET Core. So if I do right click and merge into current branch, you will see that there are 5 outgoing commits, and we're about to push them. So I like to do this just to set an expectation that we're also going to be covering, like I'm doing, merging right now, merging the changes. And then after that, I'm going to do push and what happens behind the scenes. And then this dialog, this one, where is it? Where it's going to pop up of unloading projects, it's going to pop up. And then what does it mean and everything. Cool. So I have a lot of things to sort out on this playlist, so I'm continuing. So after this video, who uses these services, I'm going to do external service providers, the ones I'm using for the system, identical docs, the tools, or should I say the solutions to simplify the work for me as a developer, that they are also on these providers. On these services, such as Automapper. We'll take a look at that. Fluent validation, I believe Swagger also. So we'll take a look at many of them. Now, while this does this, we'll come back to it. Let's go to Firefox now. Let's launch both of these services, GitHub and now Azure DevOps. And then obviously with Azure DevOps, I cannot search public repositories because I did not see the opportunity for me to do so, even though when I'm signed in. So I don't know how flexible it is. Can I search? Let's see. You see, I can only search within this organization, and that's a problem. I want to search like the entire platform. But let's see. GitHub. Is GitHub on Azure DevOps? That's what I'm trying to figure out right here. Let's see. No. Enter. Okay. No, you see, it's searching within this organization, so no. So it's not that flexible. I want it to go outside. So unfortunately, I don't know how to search globally. It's not that extensible and flexible like the way I want it to be. What is this? What is this? Okay. So no, but we're gonna focus on GitHub. GitHub, I know. If I search here, it's gonna go all the way, like global. It's gonna search the entire platform. Let's check our friends. Our friends is still. Okay, how far along is this thing? Visual Studio, wake up. Also, we're gonna be covering Git in Visual Studio. Here it is. It's gonna be video number 9 in this playlist. What happens? What did I do? What is this all this thing? Like, what is alternative to using this GUI, graphical user interface in Visual Studio, as opposed to people that use terminals? I hate terminals. I hate having to remember and memorize these commands. I hate them. So I like Git in Visual Studio. Big up to Microsoft when it comes to this one. Right. So who uses these platforms? So that's what we are covering today, right? Who uses this platform? Let's start with the GitHub itself. It's GitHub on GitHub. So if I search GitHub, hit enter. Let's see, because I'm also going to be covering Facebook. I'm going to be covering, wait, I don't want in here, I want the entire thing. Wait, yes, view all results on GitHub, not in my repository, in the entire platform. There we go. So it seems like GitHub is not on GitHub, but what we can do, we can filter the result by users, not repositories, because there's a lot of repositories. I mean, almost 5 million. But yeah, let's check the users. Okay, yes, there we go. So it's GitHub on GitHub. It seems like so. So let me open this on a new tab. Let's give it a second. There we go. Let's check Facebook. Definitely I know Facebook is on GitHub. Yes, so we also want to check Facebook. And I'm still filtering it with the users because I want the official organizations, or should I say companies, on this massive platform. Okay, while this one continues, there we go. So Facebook also is on GitHub. Let's do so. Let's search Twitter. I never searched Twitter, but let's see if Twitter, wait, not what I typed, but Twitter, if Twitter is on GitHub. Let's give it a second. Yes, Twitter, it seems like it's on GitHub. Lastly, we want to go for Microsoft. But let's do Google. Let's give Google, something. Google, is Google on GitHub? Let's see. Wait. Why does it say successfully pushed to GitHub from master? This is not what I wanted, right? What did you push exactly to GitHub, master on GitHub? But this is not the action that I executed. I said you need to go into master branch. This is what I did. I believe so. Interesting. We'll come back to it. Nevertheless, yes, Google, it is on. So where is the users? Let's give it a second. There we go. Lastly, Microsoft. Cool. So let's start with the GitHub. So GitHub is on GitHub. They have their official account with 384 repositories, and then they're still busy, these people. As you can see, 9 minutes ago they pushed to the docs repository. 18 minutes ago they pushed to CodeQL repository, and then 37 minutes ago they pushed to COVID-19 dashboard, a site that displays up-to-date COVID-19 stats powered by Fast Pages. You can take a look at it. And then 1 hour ago, Spoon Knife, and then so forth. Okay, so this is GitHub. And then GitHub has, okay, these are top languages. And then most used topics. We can, okay. And then the people, 251 people. And then sponsoring these people. Okay, cool. So this is GitHub, right? And then they pinned some of their repositories. Okay. And then now Facebook. Yes, Facebook also is on GitHub with 113 repositories. And then 25 minutes ago, they pushed to IDB. And then 2 minutes ago, they pushed to Flipper. And then 44 minutes ago, they pushed to FBOSS, Facebook Open Switching System software for controlling network switches. Okay, so it's a big platform with 169 people. And these are top languages. And then Twitter, surprisingly, it's on GitHub. I didn't know that. Also 113 repositories. And then 3 hours ago. Yeah, you see, they're lazy people. But that's my opinion, by the way. They pushed to Scalar School lessons in the fundamental of Scalar, and then 12 hours ago to, how do you pronounce this thing? I don't want to swear, so let me keep quiet. And then also they have 38 people. This guy looks like Mark Zuckerberg, but it's not him, but he almost. Okay, cool. So that's Twitter. And then Google, whoo, 2,100 repositories. What is Google doing? Oh, I know, Flutter, because they also own Flutter. And then we need to take a look at Flutter. They have a 1,200 approximately people, these are top languages. 4 minutes ago, this trillion, a transparent, high scalable, and cryptographically verifiable data store. This is Google. It's using Go. And then OzFast, I don't know what this thing is, 6 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago. People are working at Google, which is good. I want to search while I'm here, Flutter. Okay, cool. Yes, in this organization. Flutter. There are 9 repositories. I don't know which one it's a main one. Flutter. Well, honestly, I don't know which one is the main one, so I went to check Flutter, but I'm not gonna. But what if we were to say all GitHub? Not you. All GitHub. Like the official Flutter. There we go. Yes. So 38 minutes ago, this is a Flutter. Yeah, these people are working. Look at the number of the commits. 25,030 commits, and then they pushed how long ago? 8 hours ago. Yes, the last one was 8 hours ago. So these people are working. Okay, cool. Lastly, Microsoft, my favorite company. Okay, so this is everything about Microsoft. They have how many repositories? 4,200 repositories. And 43 seconds ago, they pushed it to ML for beginners. 12 weeks, 24 lessons, classic machine learning for all. I should check this thing one. Please check this one out. And they also pushed to Get 2 minutes ago. They're still busy, the people. This is Microsoft for you. OneFuzz. I don't know what OneFuzz is, but 4 minutes ago, Azure. You see Azure is on GitHub. What else? Fluent UI. They have a lot. This is Microsoft for you. Microsoft 365 DSC. I don't know what. So these are the companies that are on GitHub. And Microsoft has 4,500 people. Some of the people I know, like Scott Hanselman, I know him. Who's this? I don't know you. Who are you? And who are you? And who are you? Yo, some of these people, I don't know them. Okay, and then sponsoring this number of people or organizations. So yeah, everybody's busy on this platform. Unfortunately, with Azure DevOps, I cannot search globally like I'm able to search when it comes to GitHub. So it's fantastic platform. Everybody's busy. Now the servers are running. The servers are moving code from one place to the other. People are busy. Developers are busy right now. Please check it out if you're curious about something. Android. Let's check Android while I'm here. Let's go back here and check Android. A popular open source platform. Let's see if it really is open source. Let's search the entire GitHub. Android. Yes. Here they are. Let's filter by the users. And then yes, Android is on GitHub. Let's see. Yes, they do have a 55 repositories. And then 4 hours ago, they pushed something. Compose sample. 6 people. Where OS samples 14 hours ago, Android test 14 hours ago, health samples yesterday. Yeah, all kinds of organizations. Let's search Tesla. All GitHub. Let's see this side. Let's search Amazon. Amazon. And then this side. What else? Give me ideas. What can we search? Huawei. How you type Huawei? Huawei. I used to call it Huawei. Yeah, that's how, because I used to have a phone, Huawei P7. Yeah? P8, something like that. Yeah. So I used to call it Huawei. So let's see Tesla. Okay. I don't know if this is the official Tesla. I don't know. Amazon. No, we don't have the official Amazon, unfortunately. And then Huawei. Yes, we do have Huawei on GitHub, which is fantastic. 102 repositories 12 hours ago. They're still busy, these people. It's good to know. Interesting. And then Amazon, unfortunately, I cannot really get the official Amazon, the one that's verified. And then Tesla, like I said, I don't know if this is official Tesla because it needs to have some stuff like Microsoft, you know, some properly stuff. So yeah, almost everybody's on this platform, which is fantastic. Also, do you know who's on this platform? Edward McFlurry. Edward McFlurry. Please search for Edward McFlurry. You would find him here, you know, in all GitHub. Wait, I said all GitHub. Stop being lazy. Yes, there's one user. There's only one user, obviously, you know, which is me, Tumi Tladi. So please check me out also, you know, I'm fantastic on this platform, you know. So yeah, if you see this handsome dude, just know that you found the right account. With that being said, stay tuned for the next, but before you go, let's see what's happening here. This is weird. This is weird because there are changes in this branch. Let's go to core web API. There are changes in there. Now let's check on GitHub what exactly is happening. Identical docs. What exactly is happening? When last did I push any changes? 4 hours ago. And today it's a 4. Wait, why? Oh, it's Wednesday. Yes, you see, core web API. You know what happened? It's a mistake. And then we'll cover this thing, but it seems like I pushed that. Wait, what's happening here? How many branches? 2. So for some reason, I pushed directly from. Let's do this. Let's make sure. Let's get the changes from master into this branch core underscore web API. It says up to date. Let's go to master. And now we are on master. Okay, let's get the changes from core web API to master. It says up to date. If I push, still insist on pushing. Is there anything to push? Because I don't remember clicking push. Or did you see me clicking push? You see, it's weird. Let's give it a couple of seconds. You see, now it says successfully pushed to GitHub master. How on earth is this thing possible? Let's refresh. These are the things you want to bump into. 4 hours ago. It still insists on saying 4 hours ago. It's fine. But only 2 branches because I need them to be 2 branches, not a lot of branches. But let's push this guy also to Azure DevOps and then I'll be done. Okay, cool. So we are done with who uses these platforms, right? Or these services. So next up, we're going to talk about external service providers, like I said, like AutoMapper, that the people that we are using their tools, you know, they're also on GitHub, on Azure DevOps. So take a look at that. Let me just quickly confirm that everything is all well here, that we receive some changes from my local machine all the way to the cloud. And it'll be done. Please, if you find this content to be, you know, juicy, because it's good, please consider subscribing and tell your friends about the goodness of this content. Yes, 4 hours ago. Yeah, the changes, they did arrive. Okay, with that being said, stay tuned for more version control videos.